everyone. This is Mikey from Tech Mikey, and today we're diving into the Honor 300 Ultra. Flagship design, cutting-edge performance, and a display that turns heads. This is the Honor 300 Ultra, packed with premium features, a Snapdragon powerhouse, and lightning-fast charging. It's ready to make waves in the smartphone world. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we dive into the unboxing and first impressions of Honor's latest flagship. Let's get started. Honor has truly elevated its game when it comes to packaging. The Honor 300 Ultra arrives in a beautifully designed box that feels premium right from the start. The box is adorned with intricate rose-like patterns, giving it a sophisticated and luxurious vibe. The attention to detail in the packaging shows that Honor wants users to feel the exclusivity of their flagship product. Opening the box reveals a well-thought-out compartment for the phone itself. The premium unboxing experience is enhanced by the presentation, which sets the stage for what's inside. Along with the phone, you'll find standard accessories like a fast charger, a USB-C cable, and a transparent case. These extras ensure that users can start enjoying their new device right away. The Honor 300 Ultra immediately stands out with its sleek and refined design. Honor has opted for a plastic frame this time, which is a shift from the metal frame used in the previous Honor 300 Pro model. While some may prefer the heft and sturdiness of a metal build, the plastic frame makes the phone noticeably lighter and more comfortable to hold. The back of the phone is a visual delight, featuring a textured finish with elegant color accents. The unique camera module design further adds to its charm, giving the device a distinctive identity. The front of the phone boasts a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display. The design includes subtle curves at the top and bottom, with more pronounced curves on the left and right edges. Even for those who aren't fans of curved screens, the implementation here is worth appreciating. The display is vibrant and offers impressive brightness levels, making it easy to use in various lighting conditions. Color uniformity. There's minimal color distortion, even at extreme angles. However, there's a faint greenish tint when the brightness is at its peak, which might be noticeable to some users. Honor has included several eye comfort modes in the settings, which is a thoughtful addition for users who spend long hours on their phones. At the heart of the Honor 300 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a flagship-level chip that ensures smooth performance across a range of tasks. While it may not be the absolute latest processor, it handles everything from everyday tasks to gaming with ease. The phone operates without any noticeable lag, and apps open quickly. It provides a solid gaming experience, though it might not match the performance of devices with the latest flagship processors. The software experience is equally polished, with a stable and user-friendly interface. Honor has clearly invested in optimizing their UI, resulting in a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is located near the center of the display. While it functions reliably and quickly, the lack of vibration feedback during unlocking feels like a missed opportunity for a more immersive experience. Additionally, the sensor provides a slightly springy feedback, which might take some getting used to. The Honor 300 Ultra's camera module is an eye-catching element of its design. The main sensor is a standout performer, delivering high-quality images with accurate color reproduction. Zoom lens. The phone features a 3.8x optical zoom using the IMX858 sensor. While not as advanced as some competitors' 5x zoom capabilities, it still performs well in medium-range scenarios. Low-light performance. The camera struggles slightly in dim settings, lacking the extreme low-light capabilities found in some flagship competitors. Software. Honor has integrated useful features like easy portrait mode adjustments, but the image processing sometimes falls short, particularly under heavy usage or overheating conditions.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The phone's front-facing cameras include a pill-shaped cutout at the top of the screen. While this dual-camera setup looks promising, the secondary lens appears to be more of a filler, likely used for depth sensing rather than adding significant functionality. The Honor 300 Ultra is equipped with a large battery that supports fast charging. This ensures that the phone can quickly regain power, making it convenient for users with a busy lifestyle. Honor's charging technology is reliable and efficient, adding to the phone's overall appeal. Honor 300 Ultra is positioned as a flagship device with competitive pricing. China starts at 4,199 CNY, UK around £455, USA roughly 580. Given its features and build quality, the phone offers good value for its price, though it may not appeal to users seeking the absolute best in photography or cutting-edge innovation. Strengths: design, sleek and visually appealing with a premium finish. Display: vibrant AMOLED panel with subtle curves and excellent brightness. Performance: solid day-to-day and gaming performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Software: a polished and user-friendly experience. Fast charging: quick power replenishment for on-the-go use. Weaknesses: camera, good but not exceptional, especially in low-light scenarios. The zoom lens falls short of competitors. Feedback: the lack of vibration feedback during unlocking feels like a missed opportunity. Processor: while capable, it's not the latest available, which might be a drawback for power users. The Honor 300 Ultra is a well-rounded flagship phone that excels in design, display quality, and overall performance. While it does have a few shortcomings, such as its camera processing and vibration feedback, it remains a solid choice for users seeking a premium device without breaking the bank. If you prioritize design, user experience, and fast charging, the Honor 300 Ultra is definitely worth considering. However, if you're a photography enthusiast or someone looking for cutting-edge features, you might want to explore other options in this price range. That wraps up the unboxing and first impressions of the Honor 300 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. See you in the next video.